Hey guys, and welcome to the Safe Mode Shopify tutorial for PrismAIO. In this video, we'll be explaining what Safe Mode is and also how to utilize it in the best way possible. So to start off, the main reason why we would use Safe Mode versus any of the other modes that we offer in Prism is mainly because we're trying to beat bot protection. Some common Shopify websites that do have bot protection on during drops are Kith or Easy Supply. And we're going to use Safe Mode because it is able to bypass and beat any type of bot protection that Shopify has currently. So for this example, we're going to pretend like we are prepping and trying to create a task for a Kith drop. So obviously we have Kith selected here, we got a profile selected. Over here, we can input an early link that you get from your cook group, and we'll also have it on the releases tab, or you can input keywords, it doesn't really matter. For size, we're just going to go ahead and choose random for this example. We do have CAPTCHA enabled because most sites that do enable bot protection will also require CAPTCHA. We obviously have Safe Mode selected, and then now we get a proxy list. So for proxy list, you do want to use residential proxies because with the new addition of bot protection, Shopify has been blocking data center proxies. So if you are using data center proxies during a drop, you may see your tasks stuck on waiting for product. That's because they're being blocked. So ideally, you do want to use a list of residential proxies. In terms of monitor delay and error delay, this is really dependent on how many proxies you have and how many tasks you're trying to run. So in this video, I won't really get into this. However, we're just going to use the regular presets. And we're going to create the task. All right, so just like any other task, all you got to do is press run to start it. You will notice it is a little slower than, let's say, an advanced mode task. Main reason being is that it is trying to mimic real human behavior. As you can see, it automatically requests a CAPTCHA, and it's going to go through each step of checking out. And right now, we're pretty much going to be stuck on submitting payment and processing, just because I did use a fake privacy card, so it won't actually be able to submit payment. And we're going to go ahead and stop it. So to kind of summarize the video, you do want to make sure that you're using Safe Mode for any type of drop that is going to have bot protection on. If you aren't sure, you might as well run some Safe Mode tasks just in case you do have bot protection on. And second, you do want to use residential proxies as well. And it is good to note that also, while you are using residential proxies, sometimes Shopify bot protection does mess up, and it will block residentials as well in some cases. Usually it's not really common. However, we have seen it during drops, so we do recommend that you just keep running your task, and you might have some errors, but it might actually keep going through and check out eventually. All right, guys, so if you have any questions, feel free to open up a ticket in the Discord, and thanks for watching.